Hey, good morning, everyone. So today we will discuss about what's the difference between process and work and process. This is a very common and very first question interview will ask to you when you are just going to face the interview because you have a .NET background. So most of the people will ask first question. Earlier we were using the .NET framework. Now we are using the .NET Core, and then you have a more than more than 4 year experience. And surely you have already worked with the .NET framework and now market is with the .NET Core. So what exactly difference between the .NET framework and .NET Core? .NET framework is properly a framework which is the property of the Microsoft and work mainly for the Windows operating system. We create the application on the webs and the Windows, right? But in the .NET code, it's a open source and the cross-platform. Open source means there is no need to take the license, right, for the .NET code, and also have a cross-platform. What is the meaning of the cross-platform? Cross-platform means the modular implementation, and also it can run on the Windows, apps, as well as have a different platform like Windows, Microsoft, or Mac OS, and Linux, right? So these are the meaning of the cross-platform. More than one platform dot, support by the .NET Core and where the .NET old .NET framework was supported, which was the owned by the Microsoft, right? Another difference between the .NET framework and .NET Core is the .NET Core modular footprint and setup. It supports me more platform. As I showed you, I said already that the cross platform means one platform is Windows and the platform is the Mac OS and the third platform you have Linux. Cross platform support and it supports better platform. Whereas the .NET framework do not support you know different line. .NET framework is primarily focused on the Windows desktop and web application, while in the .NET Core is targeting the cloud, mobile, IoT. Right? IoT means Internet of. So these are the three main difference you can tell to the everyone whenever you are going to face that. Thank you. I will come with our next question. What is the purpose of the virtual keyword in the C sharp? The virtual keyword in the C sharp allow a method to property to overridden in the graph. See, virtual word it's coming from where? It's coming from the oops form, right? In the oops is the object oriented programming language. This is not a part of the you know develop the code, but it helps to developing concept is the abstraction, polymorphism, inheritance, encapsulation. One of the main functionality is the polymorphism, there is the function overloading and function override. What is the function overloading and function override? Function overloading is something about the if same function is there, right? On the same function and different parameters are there. Then we say about the function overloading. Where is the function overriding? Same parameters, same name is there in the parent class, and we are using the virtual keyword. And the derived class, we are using the override. So at that scenario, we are using the virtual keyword. So are you getting my point? If you have a little bit of the knowledge of the hooks concept, then you know very well about what is the virtual keyword. So virtual keyword only used to create the method in the parent class and in the derived class. override. Right. So here, as per the definition, what the purpose of the virtual keyword in the virtual keyword in the C sharp used to allow the method or property to override it in a derived class, and it provide a way to implement polymorphism. Right. As I said you that the OOPS concept there is a different type of the four pillars are there: abstraction, encapsulation, polymorphism, and inheritance. So one of them pillar of the OOPS is the polymorphism, and in the polymorphism there are the two things. One is the overloading and another is the overriding. And overriding, there is the same function name and same parameter, where for overloading same function but different parameters. So this is part of the overriding, where the derived class provides the own implementation of the method and provide inheritance of the method. This is the something what here is the overriding, right? I hope you guys understand here. So do work with a virtual keyword in the derived class. We are using the base class, the derived class override. Right. Thank you.